Okay, there's a time for reflection, right? As we close out DjangoCon US 2025 here in Chicago, like Graham is doing here, I want to take a moment to reflect on what this week has meant. We've spent the past few days diving into learning new tools, sharing ideas, but what makes this community so powerful isn't just technology and framework, it's 100% the people. It's the way we show up for one another, we share our knowledge freely, and we create spaces where every voice has value. In this community, diversity, inclusion, and inclusion aren't just buzzwords used to elicit some hot topic debate. It is a commitment. We strive to bring forward colorful stories, lived experiences, and unique perspectives, because it's through that richness that we make the space stronger and better for everyone. The strongest communities are built when people of different backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives come together. Each of us carries a piece of that richness, and when we include and uplift one another, the entire ecosystem grows stronger. As we leave this conference, let's carry forward what we've experienced here, the warmth, the curiosity, the openness, and the care. Let's keep mentoring newcomers, amplifying underrepresented voices, and holding the door open a little wider for those who will follow. The future of Django is the culture we create together, a culture that says you belong here, your contributions matter, and you can make an impact. None of this greatness would be possible without incredible groups of people. We are deeply grateful to the many individuals and organizations who helped make this conference a success. I want to thank a few people, a few organizations, so let's get rocking. Okay, thank you to sponsors and vendors who made it possible to create this event, keep this event accessible and welcoming, and who believe in investing in the strength of this community. So I want to thank platinum sponsors 6 Feet Up, RevSys, and MongoDB. Okay, authentic, gold sponsors, Authentic, JBS, Lincoln Loop, Kraken, and Button Up. Our silver sponsors, Two Rock Software, Foxley Talent, Wagtail, and my employer, Cactus. I want to just give a quick shout out. They allowed me to work on DjangoCon stuff during office hours. Thank you very much. Yes. Silver, well, I'm sorry, did I just do that? Oh, okay, sorry about that. And bronze sponsor, Century. Opportunity grant sponsors, the Django and Python. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for speakers, keynote speakers and speakers for sharing your knowledge, ideas, and personal journeys. Keynote speakers. And here's a list of all of the wonderful speakers that we had. Let's keep it going. Of course, the DEFNA board, they make this happen, the vision. They are the ones with the vision. Thank you very much for the board, making those hard decisions. Yes. Okay, and thank you to the organizers who poured months of planning, care, and passion into making DjangoCon US 2025 a memorable experience. I want to say Abigail, Adam, Andrew, Apar, Ariane.
Let's all organizers come up on stage here.
Yeah,
too.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Catherine, Dawn, Doreen, Drew, Eric, Aaron, Jason, Jeanette, Jeff, Julius, myself, Kojo, Kutsi, Lydia, Monica, Nathan, Nicole, Noah, Peter, Rachel, Rochelle, Salim, Sean, Velda, and Victor. Thanks. Yes. This was an awesome team to work with. They put in so much work. We appreciate this wonderful bunch of humans. I mean, the creativity and the collaboration, I've never been a part of something like this. I am honored, and I love all these folks. Okay, thank you. All right, okay. Now.
I love you, Keanya.
You're welcome. I'm going to thank some more folks. Do you guys want to stand up here? Or, okay. So also, we want to thank our wonderful vendors who made it possible to run a smooth and beautiful event. That's going to be Bartech. Yes. All right. Confreaks, Cindy and James. Yes. The AV contractor, KLV. White coat captioning, Amanda and Norma. And vocal, Chicago Downtown, Elena and Josh were really helpful. Yes, good job. Okay, but more importantly, and most of all, you, the attendees. Thank you so much for showing up, for engaging with one another, and for bringing your authentic selves to this space. You are what makes DjangoCon the vibrant, inclusive community that it is. Thank you so much. Some housekeeping. Sprints, if you're staying Thursday, everyone will stay? Okay, cool. All right, so we have sprints. This is the information. Thursday, Friday, the LaSalle Ballroom, 9 to 5. If you have any questions, please feel free to throw questions in the Slack channel and we'll get you answers. Okay. Okay, we'd love for you to share your experiences, memories, photos from the week. Be sure to use hashtag DjangoCon as our community can celebrate together so we can celebrate. We'd love to do that. Okay. All right, and bear with us, stay tuned. We'll have the video recordings posted as soon as we get them. Guess what? Guess what? We could do it all again right here in Chicago for DjangoCon US 2025. Same city, new stories, okay? And if you want to bring this beautiful community, these folks to your hometown, submit a proposal to let's do this. I mean, I'm probably going to be thinking too, you're going to have to, compete with me, and that's major because I will get it done. Okay. All right. Yes, we'll do that. And last but not least, in my American hip hop artist Jay-Z voice, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Keanya Phelps, Conference Chair for DjangoCon US 2025, lover of all things Chicago and house music. It has been my absolute pleasure and honor hosting such a fine group of folks at DjangoCon US 2025. Safe travels, and I'll see you at the next DjangoCon. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, Keanya, for taking on so much work this year.
My pleasure.
We have a little something for you.
Oh, thank you.
Keanya Phelps.
Yes, do I open this here? Or, I like press. Oh, it's a personal letter And,
Turn it over.
oh, I like photos of me. Like, thank you very much. Thank you all. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. It's been an honor. And now I'm going to leave because I'm going to cry. And I don't want to cry. All right. All right. We're done.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.